Today let's discuss the perennially hot topic, Bitcoin versus gold. On one side is the millennial veteran, the glittering safe haven king, on the other the new breed, calling themselves digital gold. The clash between these two commodities in 2025 will be a titanic showdown. Can BTC truly dethrone gold? Before jumping to conclusions, let's delve into the data and the stories. First, let's talk about gold. This year has been truly phenomenal. Since the beginning of the year, its price has skyrocketed by over 50%, reaching a new high of $4,300 an ounce. What's behind this surge? The world is in turmoil. The Sino-US tariff war is escalating. The Federal Reserve is aggressively cutting interest rates. Inflation is looming, and geopolitical news is constantly on the news. What about central banks? China stockpiled another 40,000 ounces of gold last month, marking the 11th consecutive month of continuous accumulation. Gold, a time-tested asset with low volatility and a long history, always holds its ground in critical moments. It has weathered both the financial crisis and the pandemic. No wonder Wall Street tycoon Ed Yardeni calls it the new Bitcoin. No, wait, he says gold is the true king of safe havens, far more reliable than BTC. Bitcoin, on the other hand, enjoyed a spectacular run in the first half of 2025, surging 20–30%, reaching a peak of $120,000. Fans dubbed it digital gold, and the reasons sounded impressive. A capped supply of 21 million coins, inflation protection, 24/7 trading, and global transfers that waver faster than a gold-armored car. But alas, the reality is harsh. In the past week, BTC plummeted 2%, falling back to around $100,000, with the RSI indicator dropping to 22, clearly signaling an oversold trend. Volatility, it's breathtaking. It's outperformed gold in 9 of the past 10 years, yet it plummeted by over 65% in 2018 and 2022, while gold only dipped by a mere 1%. Regulatory concerns, hacking incidents, and shifting market sentiment can send it careening from heaven to hell. In this year's battle, gold is clearly ahead, becoming the darling of the devaluation trade. A weakening dollar, mounting fiscal deficits, and a rush for safe havens. Interestingly, JP Chase predicts that if gold breaks $4,000, BTC will likely follow, potentially reaching $165,000. Replacement, hard to predict in the short term but long term. Perhaps it's not a zero-sum game. Younger generations love BTC's decentralization, while veterans favor gold's stability. Coexistence of the two is the winning strategy. Think about it, a combined force that can conquer the world. What are your thoughts on this tug of war between digital vs traditional?